Hello dear students, in this video I am going to tell you something about a story that is prescribed in your syllabus in paper 2 of English literature. This story is Birthday and it is composed by Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. So first of all, in this video I will give you a brief intro about Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. Vaikom Muhammad Bashir was born in 21st January 1908 and died on 5 July 1994, also known as Baipur Sultan, was an Indian independence activist and writer of Malayalam literature. So, about all his literature is written in the language Malayalam, and this poem was also written in Malayalam language. This story was also written in Malayalam language, but after some time he himself translated this story and it is presented in English language as the title Birthday. He was a writer, humanist, freedom fighter, novelist, and short story writer, noted for his path breaking, down to earth style of writing that made him equally popular among literary critics as well as the common man. His notable works include Balayakalakshi, Sabdangal, Pathayumude, Aidu, Mathalikul, Janamdinam, and Anargha Nimisham. So these are the notable works written in Malayalam language, and the translations of his works into other languages have earned him worldwide acclaim, means worldwide popularity. The government of India awarded him the fourth highest civilian honor of the Padma Shri in 1982. He was also a recipient of the Sahitya Academy Fellowship, Kerala Sahitya Academy Fellowship, and the Kerala State Film Award for Best Story. So, Vaikom Muhammad Bashir was a freedom fighter, and as a writer of Malayalam prose fiction, much of his work is informed by the events and his experiences during the freedom struggle. The activism that distinguished his early life informs tales such as Birthday and Amma. And the story that is prescribed in your syllabus, Birthday, is inspired by his own life experience. Though he does not sentimentalize either the ties of affection nor the hardships due to poverty, his work provides a clear picture of both. Means his work provides the pictures of affection and hardships due to poverty. His Mathailukal means the walls shows him as having moved on from the kind of work he did during the struggle for independence. Though set within a prison, it is in a far more gentle frame of mind, and there are no retellings of police or jail atrocities. Vaikom Muhammad Bashir was born on 21st January 1908 at Thalailoparambu, Vaikom, Kottayam district, that is situated in Travancore, and was died on 5 July 1994 at Baipur, Calicut district in Kerala, that is in India. Occupation: he was an author, freedom fighter. Language in which he composed his notable works was Malayalam. He was an Indian, and his genre was novel, short story, essays, and memoirs. His notable works are Balyakalakshakhi, and Pathayomede Adu. Notable works are notable awards that he won. In 1970 he won Sahitya Academy Fellowship. In again 1970 he won Kerala Sahitya Academy Fellowship. In 1970 again he got Kerala Sahitya Academy Award. 1982 he won Padma Shri, and 1989 he won Kerala State Film Award for Best Story. In 1992 he won a Malayalam Language Award, and so on. His spouse name was Fatima Bashir. He had 2 children, and that's all about Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. In the next video we will study the story Birthday, and that's all about V.M. Bashir in a brief introduction. So thank you all.